Last video someone commented if you eat those who are eating onions, they are becoming horny.
What?
Let's buy now. Gare yung tasing ko.
Sira nga kang bamlo.
Kari nga gracias.
Siya pulip len. Nga haw pa na siya. Sige sing. Mage pulip yang wa sita ba gini ko. Ngoy na kay so kanyan. Pulan biji haw ba.
Masidi isang hawdure. Nga thonggan nine. Ai to chili powder to. Chia ka marinate hezi dakal 3 to 4. Marinate zozo fry. Fry zota amay lam ko to bangin nega ham to ka hepoy. Yay! Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to have fish fry. This is the big fish, rice, lemon, and then all my greens. Oh, king chili, onion, garlic, salt, and onions, and vaipak, and beans boiled, and my soup, and tilhat. Chang! Ding ding. Three ome. Ay there. Let's pray. Amen. Let's get started. Yeah.
Let's start with this. Wow. Surprise! It's water. It's just a water, okay? Okay. The enjoying part starting again. Let's start this piece. Ooh. I want to eat it. Last video someone commented if you eat those who are eating onions, they are becoming horny.
Huh?
Really? Those who are not eating onions also getting pregnant and having child, okay? Onion nene horny. My first time. Di lepo do no to die. This time summer eating coming up. very suka. And I got someone's bisa cut yung comment. Why do you chew your food only using this toothpick? Because I got a tooth problem. Thì thay cho tin có mà thay cái điều mà hiếm mà rabbit. Because I am rabbit, so I'm eating only using this toothpick. Khai là hồi đầu đã hồi đầu hoàng hiệu ba mà chân tội và dùng ở ngoài. Cái này là mình nó không ngon. While eating onion, if I get horny, I get go horny there. I have to. No taste the wraps. I forgot to introduce this. This is Tangtung Lin Hao Kip. Why do you cook onion? What do we call this type of thing in English? Just comment down below the link or the fin or the something, I don't know. Whatever. We don't care. Chắc nó con mà mình cứ đầu ra này gì rồi bùm li bùm ngay khét được thế đi bạo trọng xong nó khỏe nhẹ đấy thật mê xin ạ mấy năm nữa lại I didn't keep on time. This is why I don't like this meal. The link is very mini. Someone complained that why do you eat that way? You are very cold. Yeah, dogs bola kini mà là con chứ. Cả đây đâu rồi, nhìn đây đâu rồi. Nhưng lẩu thì lẩu mà mình chứ. Our ngày done is not same. Someone may feel very good, someone may like it, someone may enjoy it, someone may dislike it. Không phải là ông mong hay. Bởi cái là chỉ là vấn đề sao. Mà service là xem ya har lu tu kan itu xem. Video xem ba say yam lu ba ni khang ra. Brain just to ba. Ngai ya. Được. Ai được xem khang ta bây giờ. Thật ra subtitle đi ba. Ai cái brain export to cái đâu ba na. Hả? Itu kita mak khang dara. It's not easy to make a video, a vlog. When you join YouTube, you will know. If experience ni lang sa pangmakelo hima. If we don't have experience, we didn't know nothing. So while we get onto that, we started knowing that how difficult it is. Okay, let's fit this side. This side is finished, this side they going to get smart man anyway. Okay, this is it. The one is very crunchy. I like fish curry. Something good, like new day, I don't see the value something good like New Zealand. Lite sådär. Yrkaakaan ei enää bom konkitöi. Ilautaan tu. Oops. I'll try that yung naman na na. 1 bottle 500. I don't have that spirit ng tan agent kadian tan kut ya don jo ho. Don bay di sai lao le kat te khat wei don. Merci. Merci na ka kala. Don hang. Water ke. Kana don lop di na kati siya ka don to ye. Drinks wang to no more drinking. Upat lo upat sak la na pang tikit lo upat sak la kita pang hat lo te ang tikit lo. Sorry. Cầm tâm tôi tuần như video sau đó này có tâm đầu như nó hình là kìa. Some people say that how can you eat all these things? Cái này luôn không kìa. Mukbang video ito ang tampibisin niya kalau dang ani pelaw nuha. Becoming very long. Pak mo ta tu nghe cái ngâm rồi. Ngâm chỗ nào ra đi đàn nha. Alu también el audio. Alu is not my favorite. Mainly link down below in audio. See how I eat. So sexy. So I give away this to Alu and me. Chấm pra rõ đấy, này nữa tôi kịp chìm rồi. That was it. Good food. So try it. Ngayon, marinate mo 2, 3, 4 hours. Well, hindi ka marinate ha. Marinate is okay. Ka marinate na ha. I used garlic kapang sa dito kapang sa emila. Turmeric powder, salt, to chili powder to kaya ka marinate for 4 hours. It's okay fry. Do it. Thanks for watching. Bye.